Time now for the business day. Gas prices will continue to rise for the 14th consecutive week tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.50 more. Automotive diesel will increase by $1.35 and ultra-low sulfur diesel 57 cents. 20 cents will be shaved off the price of kerosene. Propane will cost 5 cents less and butane will increase 20 cents. And oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in April gained 47 cents to settle at $64.48 per barrel. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $148.54. The Canadian dollar sold for $118.97. The pound is going for $204.28, while the euro ended the day at $179.18. The JC Index lost 575 points today, and the Junior Market Index is down 8 points. Among the winners were iCreate, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Palace Amusement, Everything Fresh, and SSL Venture Capital. On the losing side were Blue Power, CAC 2000, Stationery and Office Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. And that's the business day. When we come back, news from overseas.